fades away. No more fear, no more pain, no more sorrow, sin or shame. The King is coming back again, a reign of love that will never end. For everything you've done, and everything you do, and everything you are, I'll sing to you. My God, you're an awesome God, you're great. In all you do, I'm made to worship you. My God, you're an awesome God.